was a real nice walk in the mall, Grandpa Fred.
Yeah, Grandma Eunice. Really got my heart rate going.
Please take me home. I'm so cute. Look how strong. I have little ears.
Anyone want to go for a WALK?
Here, fetch.
You know, Grandpa Fred, I'm tired of going to that mall and walking around in circles every day to get my exercise.
Me too, Eunice. There's got to be a more exciting way to work out than that.
I know. Let's ask Santa to bring one of those new Dance Revolution machines we saw at the arcade.
That's a great idea, Ma. Oh, but it's too late to send a letter to Santa now. It's only a few days until Christmas. Our little will never get there.
I know. Let's do the Skype thing.
You mean talk to Santa Claus on Skype? Like we do with our grandkids? Of course! That's a great idea!
We'll never get Santa himself at this late date, but Mrs. Claus is always online these days. I think she's internet addicted. Come on, let's give it a try.
North Pole First Lady. That's her Skype name. Ring it up, Grandma. See if she'll answer.
Hello, Mrs. Claus here. Can you see me? Can you see me now?
Yes, Mrs. C, we can see you. You look great.
Oh, I don't know. They say these screens add 20 pounds to your look.
Oh, Mrs. Claus, don't be ridiculous. You look like Mrs. Claus.
Oh, Grandpa Fred, how nice of you to say so. Well, how are things where you are, Fred and Eunice?
Oh, they're just great, Mrs. C. We've had a wonderful year.
I got a new titanium shoulder in July.
And I got some snap-on teeth in November. See?
Oh, beautiful. Well, so glad to hear it. Then, Grandma and Grandpa, what can I do for you? Would you like a new puppy? Or maybe some new wheels for Christmas? There's still room in Santa's sleigh for a Cadillac or a snowmobile if you want one.
Oh, no, Mrs. Claus. We don't need anything like that. We want one of those newfangled Dance Revolution machines we saw those young people jumping around at down at the mall.
Yeah, you know the kind where the music plays and you make your feet do the moves. Like this. We've heard it's great exercise.
Oh, you two crack me up. But are you sure that's a good idea for people your age?
Look who's talking. Mrs. C, you're like 200 years old yourself.
Oh, you're right. I guess I am.
Well, we'd like to shake a leg, if you know what I mean.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean, Grandpa. If a dance revolution is what you want under your Christmas tree, rest assured you can count on me.
We knew we could, Mrs. C.
Oh, now go shake a leg or two, but don't overdo it. And have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. Bye. Goodbye.